Add scheduled badges to WooCommerce products. Complete step-by-step guide. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Click Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for your badge. Enable the percentage discount amount. Choose a label style from the available options. Adjust the width of the badge for the archive page, product listing view. Adjust the width for the product page, individual product view. Customize the label color to match your brand or promotion. Set the label position. Enable shadow effects to enhance badge visibility. Go to the Schedule tab. Add a schedule for when the badge should appear. Select days. Choose Monday and Friday for badge display. Switch to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Is on Sale. Set it to Yes. Click the And button. Select Stock Status. Set it to In Stock. Save your changes. Visit your store on Monday or Friday. The badge will automatically be shown on qualifying products every Monday and Friday. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.